Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and checking out this video. So I'm experimenting with some of these paint pens that I picked up at Michael's. This particular one is from Craftsmart. So you guys ready? All right, DJ, hit it. All right, so I got this flat panel canvas, and I just did a quick sunset, and then I drew a heart with a tree on it. And I'm gonna try the fine tip one and see how that works. Looks like you gotta press down on it and and just kind of let it flow out. I've had some bad experiences with other ones that are you press down on it and a lot comes out or whatnot, you know what I mean. So anyways, let me try see what happens with this one. So I had to see if you can see it. I had to keep pressing the little nozzle and shook it a few times, so finally I can see the ink. So let's try some of this and see how it works. So far seems pretty cool. Let's see. Yeah, it seems pretty good. Let me continue using it and give the final verdict on it. All right, so I'm giving the pen a rest for a little bit. So far it's not bad. I mean, as you can see, I was able to do a lot of the branches. There were a few times where I don't know if it was just kind of drying up on me or I needed to shake it some more. The other thing too, just by shaking it doesn't feel like there's a lot of paint in there. So I'm not sure how many canvases or how many projects I can use this pen for before it either dries up or runs out of ink. So but overall, like, to do fine lines like that, like I've been wanting to do, it's awesome because it's fast. I typically use a really thin brush, and that can take some time. So with something like this, it would definitely help. Again, I just don't know how many of these do I need to buy to complete, like, say if I want to do a mass run of these. So that's my only concern, but I'm gonna let it rest for a little bit and then go back at it again. I did run into a little bit of issue. What happened was this little nozzle came off when I was trying to press down on it to get some more ink. So I don't know if that's something that's normal or if it's just something broke, but either way, it does look pretty cool. Again, my concern is it doesn't feel like there's a lot of ink in there, so I don't know how many canvases and projects I can use one pen for. It doesn't seem like it will last a while, but I'll keep trying it out and find out. So I'm gonna let this dry and then maybe add a little bit more. We'll see. So it's been about 24 hours now, and then it's dry. I mean, it looks really good for it's a lot better than I thought it was gonna be. Definitely worth it. I thought it was gonna be really bad. My only concern again is how what I mentioned before, is that it doesn't feel like there's a lot of ink in there. So I don't know how long this will last. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna continue working on this one, adding on to it, and then I got this other one I want to do it on, which is much bigger, and this one is wood, and then see how it goes, and see if it'll last. In the meantime, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, like my video, check out my other videos. I got some instructional videos for kids, to do project with kids and other more advanced videos. All right, guys, so an update on this one. I did finish this canvas, and I was able to use the same ink pen, to create this one. So it did last for a while. It does feel like it's starting to run out. I did run into some issues where, and it's kind of my mistake too, where I was pressing on this painting to get more ink out, and a whole bunch came out. The good news is that it went right here, so it didn't bleed. So I was able to use the same nozzle just to kind of spread it around. You can kind of see it's a little bit shinier. Let's see right there. So, but luckily it didn't bleed. Now, had it been, if I didn't have the acrylic behind it, it probably would have bled, because I've noticed where I didn't paint the background, it bled, and then the areas where there's paint in the background, it's nice and clean. So just keep that in mind. And again, this is wood, so I mean, you know it's probably gonna happen. And I did a video on this one, so make sure you go scroll down and get the link to it, so you could see. It's more a time-lapse video, but it kind of gives you an idea of me working on with this particular pen. So so far I do like it. It's very inexpensive, especially for fine details. And I think I'm gonna pick up some more, just because I like doing these trees and fine lines and things like that. And make sure you experiment. Let me know how it goes, and until next time, take care.